In this video, I will show you how to turn off Play Protect in Google Play Store or your Android device without any stress. Let me show you how. I'm going to go ahead and exit from my Play Store right here. We want to make sure we click on here to open up our Play Store. Then after you open up your Play Store, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. And you want to make sure you click on Play Protect. And then go ahead and click on this setting icon. And here you go. Scan apps with Play Protect. Play Protect can scan this device and when you about harmful app, click on here. And this is going to pump up right here. Pause app scanning instead. You can pause or turn off or cancel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to completely turn off Play Protect in my Google Play. Just go ahead and click on turn off right here. And then go ahead and verify your identity. And hit on continue, and boom, it's going to be turned off. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.